Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. Here I am back with another video for all the beginners. The topic of my today's video is web development. It is a very useful video for all the beginners. Guys, it takes me a lot of effort to make videos for you. Please subscribe, like and share to my channel for more tech related videos. So let's get into the video. Importance of web development. The internet is ubiquitous, accessible through mobile and desktop. Users need to find you business, builds trust in your organization and improves your reputation. Your website is your first round the clock salesperson. The website creates first impression of your business. Create it to suit the needs of your target audience, reflects your expertise and reputation, can bring businesses from any part of the world. Call to action encourages the users to give you business. You need web development skill to create a website. Web designers versus web developer. A web designer designs the look and feel of a website, decides the layout, fonts, color, images, and overall branding, creates the visual mock-up of the website, rarely does the development of a website. A right-brained creative person. A web developer brings the website mock-up to life on the internet, develops the website and hosts on a web server, has web development skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js. A left-brained logical person gain web development skills to become a web developer. Web developer versus web designer learns Ruby, Angular, HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, JavaScript, Swift, WordPress, Android, code, Photoshop, Illustrator, UI, branding, typography, UX, illustration, InDesign, print, design. Front end and back end web development. Front end development defines components on the page with HTML, make them look pleasing with CSS, enable interactivity with JavaScript, enhances productivity with use of frameworks. Backend web development creates the page components and content dynamically on the web server, send the HTML, CSS, JavaScript to web browser, generates pages by programming in Java, JavaScript, PHP, Perl, Python, Ruby, aim to achieve fast responses times to end users. Front-end web development is the focus of this webinar. HTML, CSS and JavaScript, an overview. HTML, hypertext markup language, structure of page. JavaScript, interactivity with users, dynamic updates in a web page. CSS, deciding style sheets, presentation styling. A simple HTML5 page. Save the following code in a test HTML file. Hosting a website. A website serves one or more HTML pages served hosted by a web server, HTTP web server, web application server. Technologies: HTML, HTTP, TCP or IP protocols. Operating systems: Linux, Windows, MacOS. HTML page. HTML web page document. User interface from the website or application. A plain text file, human readable, transported on HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Page types: static, ready-made pages with fixed page content. Dynamic, generated on the fly with varying page content generated on the web server, interspreads with JavaScript, file extensions, CSS introduction. Deciding style sheet describes the look and formatting of a page used for changing presentation and styling. Can apply to a markup language. Separates content from presentations, properties, style, layout, font, color, background, box properties, border, margin, padding, lists, tables. CSS3 2D transforms, transformation, change of position, shape and size of an element. CSS3 transforms 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, transform operations, move, scale, spin, stretch and turn elements. JavaScript and introduction. Mocha, later renamed as LiveScript, developed by Netscapes based on ECMA script, dynamically typed, interpreted by JavaScript engine, cannot do for security reasons unlimited reading, writing of files from client's machine's file system, writing to the files on the server, cannot close a window that was not operated by it, cannot read from a web page served by another web server. Microsoft version JScript. jQuery introduction. Why use jQuery? JavaScript framework separates HTML and JavaScript in web page, eliminates cross-browser incompatibilities, simple, short, clean and easy to read, write and understand. Why jQuery can select elements, has selectors as similar to CSS selectors, can manipulate the selected elements, can modify the style of the selected elements, support events affected and animations. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my today's video. I hope you people like my video. Thank you for supporting.